Hello friends. So today we are starting the year 2021 and let's see what this Speak Up app is going to ask me today. Ask me anything. What chances do you wish you had taken? So the topic of today is what chances do you wish you had taken? I remember some 12 years back when I was starting my engineering. I wish I had a lot of dreams, and these dreams were, I think, it's a common thing between you and me, and maybe many of others, that we always dream of a lot of things, and we don't really create goals out of that. Now you will ask, Santosh, what do you mean that we do not create any goals out of our dreams? The reason is that I'm standing here after those 12 years, and some of those dreams which I always thought that I will be able to live is not yet live. I have not yet achieved those dreams. Recently, I understood what is the reason behind all that. And the reason is that I never created goals out of those dreams. Those were wish which I thought I wish I would have taken action to implement or execute those. Now, this is a problem, it's a very common problem between you and me, and for among all of us, many of us, I will say, that we do not create an action plan, we do not execute, we just keep thinking our ideas, we just building our dreams, and these are just wishes which will not be able to fulfill until unless we take actions. So, I wish I would have taken certain actions to implement those dreams, which I am now doing, and I'm now pretty confident and very happy that now I am taking those actions, those executions. I may fail, I may get success, but at least I am executing some of those, which means that at least few of them I'll be successful, and I'm pretty sure of that now. Thank you. So, this is over. Thank you.